Hello mga ka-Cherks, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is Miss TV mga ka-Cherks. And for today's video mga ka-Cherks, alright, mag-reaction tayo mga ka-Cherks together with Season D as Sam Smith mga ka-Cherks. Watch this. Ah,
Your face sounds familiar. Is there anyone in the audience right now who's single? If you're single right now,
nakalibre na ng host mga ka-Cherks kasi siya na yung nag-introduce sa sarili niya. And with that mga ka-Cherks, ang ganda ng pagpasok na, ang ganda ng intro niya, alright.
I wrote this song for you. Sing. I don't wanna be alone tonight. It's pretty clear that I'm not over.
Galing ah.
I still think about the things you do. 'Cause I don't wanna be alone tonight. Alone tonight. Alone tonight. Can you light my
Alright mga ka-Cherks. Ang ganda ng exposure, ang ganda ng execution sa stage mga ka-Cherks. Ang ganda rin ng kanyang choreo mga ka-Cherks. Alright. No? Parang si Sam Smith. Yung Pislak mga ka-Cherks, hindi ko nakilala na si Season D. Alright.
fire? I need somebody who can take control. I know exactly what I need to do. 'Cause I don't wanna be alone tonight. Alone tonight. Alone tonight.
Say!
Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing.
Pati ako mga ka-Cherks, napapaindak ako sa performance na to. Tapos, kayang-gaya niya naman si Sam Smith mga ka-Cherks. Ha? Ganda. Wala akong boses mga ka-Cherks kasi nga, inuubo pa tayo. Alright. And then, looks like Sam Smith mga ka-Cherks. Alright. Kasi hindi ko naman kilala si Sam Smith mga ka-Cherks. Totoo lang. Pero nung mapanood ko to si Jason D, ayan, napa-research ang person mga ka-Cherks. And ito pala si Sam Smith. Alright. So, kung kuha niya naman yung look mga ka-Cherks, pati yung ini-embrace niya yung pagiging Smith mga ka-Cherks. So, tuloy tayo.
With a stranger. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger.
Ini-enjoy niya talaga mga ka-Cherks. Totoo lang, no? While watching on him, mga ka-Cherks, nag-enjoy din ako. Kasi ini-enjoy niya yung performance niya. Alright.
Dancing with a stranger.
Dancing with a stranger. Ayan.
Dancing with a stranger. Dancing with a stranger.
Kinarir ba naman mga ka-Cherks ang pagsayaw sa stage, no? For me mga ka-Cherks kasi never ko naman nakita si Jason D na sumayaw no? Since The Voice. Pero dito mga ka-Cherks, I was shocked because he is right dancing on the floor together with this song, alright? No, with the appearance of some sponsors. Hope so that Jason D can do dance in awesome. Well, what's that? I was dreaming mga ka-Cherks, no? I was dreaming, alright?
Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a. Hey, look what you made me do. I'm somebody new. Ooh, baby, baby. I see you clap.
I see you, Clang, alright? Ang galing ni Jason mga ka-Cherks, no? Lahat ng mga celebrity na gumagaya ngayon mga ka-Cherks sa Europe Sounds Pamilya mga ka-Cherks. Ang galing nila, no? Gaya ni Aksa, ni Jim Gill mga ka-Cherks and others like Rupago. Mamikinto mga ka-Cherks, natawa talaga ako sa kanya mga ka-Cherks. And ito, no? Sam Smith, Season D mga ka-Cherks. Alright, so the performance was good, alright?
Look what you made me do.
At dahil nag-enjoy si Rupa mga ka-church, sumayaw din siya. Dancing with a stranger.
dancing with a stranger, dancing with a stranger. Let's all welcome Sam Smith!
Gayang-gaya niya mga ka-church, pati kilos si Sam Smith, pati pagsayaw ni Sam Smith, alright, kuhang-kuha niya. Yung look, pati yung look, kaya 100% nanalo siya mga ka-church. That's the Jason Day of The Voice Season 2. I love that mga ka-church, I love that. Alright, so, incredible. Performer talaga siya, and then, that was great kasi in-embrace niya mga ka-church na kahit siguro, ano eh, ganyan, ganyan yung performer mga ka-church, no? Na kahit, papil mo na hindi mo kayang gawin, makakaya mo kasi kailangan mong i-embrace yun eh. And that's Jason Lee do it mga ka-church to this video and to this performance mga ka-church. I love it. Alright, so that's it mga ka-church. Kinaril talaga niya yung kanyang performance for to this video. Sam Smith, Jason Day, alright. Dancing with a Stranger, alright. Kayo ba mga ka-church, no? Ano pa masasabi niyo sa performance ni Jason Day? And alright, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel. Like and share, basta mo ito may notify ang new upload videos, and this is Dumamix TV mga ka-chicks. Bye-bye.